Are you a new real estate agent? Maybe you've been in the business 3 months, maybe 6 months, maybe a year, and you're just not sure what to do every day. You take some advice from the agent down the hall, but they're not really sure what to do either. Maybe you try to buy some leads. Maybe you hold a few open houses here or there. Maybe you make a really pretty Instagram post, but yet you don't get any business from that. Well, I'm Matt Durbin with Mad Real Estate Coaching, and this is the perfect example of why we created the Real Estate Roadmap. How to get from $0 to $100,000 in your first year in the real estate business. There's a huge failure rate in our industry right now, and most of it is because of a lack of training and a lack of a clear path on what to do when you first start in real estate. If this sounds like you, click the link below and sign up for our Real Estate Roadmap course and get yourself on the path to success.